This is TechCrunch. Netflix is starting to use GenAI in its shows and films. I'm Imran Sheikh, and your Saturday Daily Crunch starts now. While OpenAI has cemented its lead in the U.S., Perplexity is taking a different route, quietly expanding into India to compete in the next phase of AI adoption. You see, the search-focused AI startup is rapidly adding millions of users in the world's second-largest internet and smartphone market, positioning itself for mass market scale. This week, Perplexity partnered with Bharti Airtel, India's second-largest telecom operator after Reliance Jio, to offer a free 12-month Perplexity Pro subscription, normally worth a princely sum of $200, to all 360 million Airtel subscribers. Well, it looks like Meta's refused to sign the European Union's Code of Practice for its AI Act weeks before the bloc's rules for providers of general-purpose AI models take effect. The EU's Code of Practice, a voluntary framework published earlier this month, aims to help companies implement processes and systems to comply with the bloc's legislation for regulating AI. Among other things, the code requires companies to provide and regularly update documentation about their AI tools and services, bans developers from training AI on pirated content, and comply with content owners' requests to not use their works in their data sets. Calling the EU's implementation of the legislation an overreach, Meta's Chief Global Affairs Officer Joel Kaplan claimed that the law will throttle the development and deployment of frontier AI models in Europe and stunt European companies looking to build businesses on top of them. Companies developing video AI models and tools often talk about working with Hollywood studios to make certain workflows possible. Well, on Thursday, Netflix said that it has started using AI in movies and shows it produces. Speaking at the company's post-results conference call, the company's co-CEO Ted Sarandos said that the platform had the very first GenAI final footage to appear on screen in an Argentine show called El Adonada. He noted that Netflix's internal production group teamed up with producers to use AI to create a scene of a building collapsing. Sarandos said that using AI, the scene was finished 10 times faster than it would have with traditional visual effect tools. Oh, and that it cost less. And in the world of startups, fast-growing Swedish AI vibe coding startup Lovable has become Europe's latest unicorn. Only 8 months since its launch, the startup has raised a $200 million Series A round, led by Excel at a $1.8 billion valuation. Like Cursor and other platforms that help developers write code and build apps by harnessing the coding and reasoning abilities of large language models, Stockholm-based Lovable helps people use natural language to create websites and apps. And investors are continuing to rally behind the call to reindustrialize American industry, this time by building out a $260 million war chest for automated manufacturing startup Hadrian to scale its factory footprint and make even more machine parts. Hadrian's aim is to modernize American manufacturing by leveraging advanced automation to deliver mass-produced parts for aerospace and defense companies at a fraction of the time. And that's your Daily Crunch. Today's stories were reported by Ivan Mehta, Ram Iyer, and more beautiful, lovely TechCrunch journalists. We'll see you here next week, and until then, find us at TechCrunch.com.